So the ingredients are some freshly made black coffee, vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, milk, and sugar. While the coffee is still hot, we're going to add the sugar. Make it as sweet as you like it. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar and a small dash of milk. Give it a good stir. There you go. From this point you can put it in the fridge or just let it cool off. Just make sure that your coffee is cold. So our coffee is nice and cool. We've just transferred it to a prettier glass. Take a good scoop of your ice cream and put it in there. Give it a small stir, just to dissolve the ice cream a little bit, and then just finish it off with some whipped cream. A nice straw, and there you go. You have yourself a nice vanilla ice cream iced coffee. So, thank you guys for watching this episode, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.